So now to take pictures, if I click on this chart and I want to take a picture of the chart, the camera tool doesn't work. Unfortunately, I would like to take a picture of this chart, but it can't work. And that's because, as I said, Excel works with cells. This is not a cell, this is an image. This is actually not Excel, it's another tool that works with Excel, it's a chart tool. So to trick it to work, you have to just go behind it, highlight the cells behind the chart, and then you basically take a picture, and it's like someone jumping in front of in front of the camera. So the chart just jumped in front of the camera, we took a picture, and then we go here and we click. This is now your chart. So I have this image. I could just go and keep clicking. Let's take a picture. Let's see, we have quite a number of charts. Who qualifies for our dashboard? I think this guy qualifies pretty well. It's a really interesting looking chart. So I'm going to highlight the back of it. Here we go, all the way back, and take a picture. Come to our dashboard, click. It's dropped this. Let's come back to our report, come behind this one. Take another picture, click. Come here, click. Another image. And let's see our top and bottom 5 reports. So for this one, I'm going to do a small trick. I'm going to tab this till it goes close to this, yeah, and I'm going to tab this one as well. Tab, and then I'll take a picture of this. Click, and I'll take another picture of this one. Click. Now we have quite a lot of pictures to arrange. Now I don't like this grid line, so I'm going to come to report and just come to view and remove grid lines. Come back here, and grid lines are off. Nice. Now since this is a picture, I can crop it. I can come to format and crop, and basically reduce that this way, and that's why I did it the way I did. Click here and go to format and crop. There we go. And I can say I don't want to see borders. My picture border should be no outline. This one as well, this format, the border should have no outline. All right. Now it's a matter of arranging all these pictures neatly. I prefer sales to be aligned right. I think that's neater. Let's come here, align sales right, and align sales here right as well. Where are we? Align right. Here we go. Okay. So how do we do this? Let's try, and I think this would be nice at the bottom of a report, but it's quite, we need to probably reduce the size a bit. Now if you want to squash your, you should never adjust an image from the center. That's messing up with something called the aspect ratio. You should always adjust it by the corner. Now if you wanted to squash it a bit, you shouldn't squash it this way. It just wouldn't look good. What you could do is come to the report itself, and in the report itself you could reduce the, you could just reduce it this way like that. That's much better than messing things up. So if you come back, you see it's reduced. So how do we arrange this? We have so many things to arrange, right? So that's what you should do. You should try and see how best to arrange all these charts in a way that really looks neat and tidy. Remember, this is a whole page, so you have a lot to play with. So I could have my top, I think I want to have my top and bottom, my top 5 up here.